Hi all, today I'm going to show you how to earn $1,000 to $5,000 approximately. This is the channel audio library which is generating huge revenue. Uh, if you could take an example like this, there are many such channels which are just generating revenue on music videos. So what you can do is you could just find royalty free music. Okay, uh, where you could find it, you can go to soundcloud.com and search for the genre under soundcloud.com, and it would give you tons and tons of royalty free music which you could use commercially. So just download the tracks. I'll just show you how to sort them out. So once you search, select tracks. Okay, under tracks at the bottom, listen to, use commercially. So these tracks could be used, and you'll not get a copyright claim. And adding to that, to add a visual, I found another free website which is music beats. I'll just open that for you. Yeah, music beats read.org. Okay, you can customize and visualize the video which you are uploading from here, and this would give more professional look to your video. And by combining these two and adding a good title, that should give you uh, tons and views. So guys, just go ahead and try this out. This should help you in generating a lot of revenue. There is a lot of opportunities here. Get started guys, and don't forget to like my video and share it across, and also please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll be uploading more such content. So this would generate more motivation for me, and I could upload more videos on it. So thank you guys, have a good day.